Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently long in Bitcoin and long in Ethereum. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down, starting here with Bitcoin. Here on the 4-hour chart, I'll bring your attention to first the direction here. Bitcoin has been delivered here to the sell side, and then yesterday liquidity tapped into the sell side liquidity here on last week's low. We zoom back here. You'll see this is last week's low here. This line here divides last week from this week. And this liquidity here, sell side liquidity, swept out with this price action right here. And with that, price rejected from this level and delivered here to the buy side, putting in this fair value gap right here. So this fair value gap was traded into right here in this candle. And then this is where I was looking for a potential entry here in Bitcoin. Now coming down here to the 60-minute chart. We can see here this orange line here divides yesterday from today. And you can see price is being delivered here to the buy side. This is after that sell side liquidity here from the weekly chart was swept out. And you can see price action putting in a series of fair value gaps here. And with that, you can see price delivering here to the buy side, pulling back. And then you can see this is the swing low here from the day. Here this swing low is put in, and you can see this swing low is being, or this swing low here being protected, as this swing low did not break through it, and price action has continued here to the buy side, some consolidation and a little bit of buy side delivery currently. Bringing your attention over here to the 15-minute. So you can see for the day, overall, Bitcoin being bullish. Actually, if we come back over here to the 60-minute, I'll put a Fibonacci retracement tool up so we can see the dealing range for the day. Here. So we can see the dealing range for the day overall is bullish for the price delivery and mostly consolidating here around this equilibrium level. Here. And we can see mostly price action trading in this area. Here on the 15-minute, you can see price trading to the buy side here. This extreme sell side delivery here. This sweeping external range liquidity here during the New York AM session. Then there's a reaction down here from the swing low here, from the or at least from the midnight New York time. This area put in a swing low here, and this swing low seems to be holding here, and this is what price reacted off of here just before the New York PM session. And then buy side delivery comes in. This line that you're seeing here, this is the 4-hour fair value gap right here. That is right here. So price traded into that fair value gap right there, and then delivered to the buy side here. And that's when you can drop down to the 5-minute. If my chart will drop down to the 5-minute. platform is reacting slowly all of a sudden. Maybe it needs a restart here. Or maybe it's just my internet connection currently. Let's see. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, here we go. Let's see what pulls up. It's pulling up Ethereum. Let's go back to Bitcoin here and wrap up. Then we'll get back into Ethereum here. All right. You're seeing this dealing range, and I don't know. This may be a previous version here. Let's restart again. See if we can get a present updated version here. No, still an older version. Let's try it one more time. The platform is loading an older version of my charts here. It still is loading an older version of my charts. This okay, so this was before the BTC ads. All right, let's run with this here, and I will put these back in here, and here. We'll drop down to the 5, which I was looking to do, and then we'll pinpoint this second entry here, which would have been in this area here. There. Okay. So here on the 5 minute, we get this price action where price trades down into this 4-hour fair value gap here. And then price delivers to the buy side, consolidates sell side, and then comes up here and then creates a market structure shift here to the buy side. This triggers a long trade for me. As price pulled back, I got in too early here. I got in at the market structure shift level, when in reality I want to get in right here where there's the fair value gap here. So FOMO entry here. Then you can see price delivering to the buy side here, then consolidating, and now a bit back here to the buy side. And then for overall here, for targets, first we'll start with my near targets. Maybe we'll start with my near, here are my near targets. Targeting yesterday's high here. So there's going to be sell side liquidity resting just above here. I want to target that with the price delivery algorithm. And then for a distant target, targeting last week's high. There's going to be sell side liquidity resting up here near these near equal highs. So I want to target this level here. And next up we've got Ethereum. Same thing happening with Ethereum, or very similar here with Ethereum as with Bitcoin. Starting here on the 4-hour chart, you can see sell side delivery here up until this weekly level here is traded into. You can see here this sell side liquidity here is swept out from last week with this price action here, and then price has a reaction from that level and delivers to the buy side, putting in this fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap here. Then here on the 60-minute chart, you can see that reaction from the sell side liquidity sweep, buy side delivery, putting in a series of bullish fair value gaps, and then consolidating here, mostly here over the course of the day. And then we can see here price delivery here at midnight New York, buy side delivery, consolidation. Same thing with Bitcoin. We come in here and I will here. So there's a sweep here of this liquidity here from the New York AM session. This is swept here, and then you can see this light blue line here, this area. This is equivalent to that fair value gap here. So this is price trading down into that 4-hour fair value gap, and then price trades back up here to the buy side. My entries here were very, very sloppy, but I was still able to catch this trade. So catching it here without confirmations, this was not good. Here was premature as well, all over the place today. But you can see after trading into the fair value gap, the 4-hour fair value gap, a high was put in here, tested, and then here is where the market structure shift comes in here to the buy side. And then there's no fair value gap, or actually there is, but it comes in right here, or no, actually there's not here on Ethereum. So just trading price action purely here. There's no gap here, and there's no gap here. When the gap comes in, it's actually here. When the gap comes in. So I was early to this trade. Let's see how it sets up on the Fibonacci here. And it does come back to the 50% level. So ideally here is my entry, and this would be right at what would this be? Well, this would be right at 3 o'clock right here. So this would be right at my cutoff time for getting an entry. And then you can see price delivers to the buy side here, pulls back, consolidates here, and now considering redelivering here to the buy side potentially. And to sweep out the sell side liquidity here, and potentially continue to the buy side. And then for targets, let's find, that's a far target, that's a far target. So here would be a near target, and I'm targeting the buy side liquidity that is resting above yesterday's high here. I want to target that, and also targeting the weekly level. So there's buy side liquidity resting above these near equal highs here on the weekly level, and looking to participate in that liquidity raid with the price delivery algorithm if I'm able, or if this trade continues to work out and trade to the buy side in my direction here overall. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade together. We'll see you next time.